Awesome. Yeah. And so this is, I mean, gosh, I guess all these are my favorite, but this was another great use case. This was it's a high volume, again, in the healthcare field, but it was a high volume data capture scenario where you had a lot of labor that is extracting data off of healthcare forms, medical bills specifically. And this was an optimization problem. You know, the way we look at it is when we met this group, their coders were able to code or capture data from 20 medical bills an hour, you know, and our challenge was to get that from 20 an hour per worker up to 85 an hour using whatever means possible. You know, you don't have to use AI ML, just happen to be a really great fit for this scenario. But we developed technology that would pre-process some of the healthcare forms, which are very nasty when they're scanned and they're folded and they're bent. Data is skewed and misaligned, and you got the data printed right over the form, making OCR almost impossible. And so we developed some pretty sophisticated technology that would basically erase the form and just leave the data. And you have to imagine this is it's a scanned document where all the text is black, the form is black, and the data is black. So the patient's name is in black text right over the lines, maybe off to the side. And traditional OCR, even if you're going to the latest OCR tools from Azure or Google, they're just not going to do very well. And so the volume and the ROI was such that we developed a really sophisticated system, including a custom OCR model, because that is what we needed to really get the throughput to where we ended up, getting it to bring that ROI to them. So a really neat use case, hyper focused. But again, I think there's tons of these scenarios out there that are being more and more tractable as the tools and technologies advance.